Welcome to GearGrinders, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kawasaki KX65, a legendary entry-level motocross bike designed to introduce young riders to the world of off-road racing. With a race-proven engine, lightweight frame, and responsive handling, the KX65 continues to be the go-to choice for future champions. Let's break down what makes this bike stand out. Compact and race-ready design. The KX65 carries the iconic Kawasaki styling, featuring the signature lime green bodywork with sharp graphics that instantly scream speed and competition. Its slim and lightweight design allows young riders to easily maneuver the bike while developing essential riding skills. With a low seat height of just 29.9 inches, it ensures a comfortable fit for growing riders, making it an excellent choice for those stepping into the world of motocross. Powerful 65cc two-stroke engine. At the heart of the KX65 is a high-revving 64cc liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine, delivering impressive power for its size. Equipped with a 6-speed transmission, this bike offers smooth gear shifts and strong acceleration, making it ideal for learning how to control power effectively on the track. The Kawasaki Integrated Power Valve System (KIPS) enhances low-end torque and top-end performance, giving young racers a competitive edge. Suspension and handling. To tackle bumps, jumps, and rough terrain, the KX65 is equipped with a high-performance suspension system. The 33mm telescopic front fork provides 8.3 inches of travel, while the uni-track rear suspension with adjustable preload offers 9.4 inches of travel. This setup ensures stability and control, allowing young riders to confidently take on motocross tracks with ease. Braking and safety features. For maximum control, Kawasaki has fitted the KX65 with disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels. The dual-piston front caliper and single-piston rear caliper provide reliable stopping power, giving riders confidence in any track condition. The lightweight steel frame ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight, maintaining the perfect balance between strength and agility. Why the KX65 is perfect for young riders. The KX65 is more than just a bike, it's a learning platform for the champions of tomorrow. Its combination of lightweight agility, smooth power delivery, and reliable performance makes it the ultimate training tool for young motocross riders. Whether they're racing competitively or just starting out, this bike sets the foundation for future success. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki KX65 continues its legacy as one of the best beginner motocross bikes on the market. With its powerful yet manageable engine, race-ready suspension, and lightweight frame, it's built to inspire confidence in young riders. If you're looking for a bike that will help develop essential skills while delivering non-stop fun, the KX65 is the perfect choice. Stay tuned to GearGrinders for more motocross reviews, track tests, and the latest updates from the world of off-road racing. See you at the starting gate.